Welcome to the Manufacturing Evolution, AI, Ops, and the Future of Work. I'm Brad Tornberg, and today we're tackling a truth. Automation doesn't fix dysfunction, it magnifies it. Robots, APS, and AI accelerate what your system already does, good or bad. Before you buy equipment, let's walk through 5 operational gaps that derail automation and how to close them using a people-process technology lens so your investments deliver measurable results. Why does automation fail? Weak foundations, unstable processes, inconsistent metrics, reactive firefighting, and workforce resistance. Think of technology as torque. It multiplies the force your operations exert. Use people-process technology to diagnose readiness. People, roles, skills, accountability. Process, stability, flow, standard work. Technology, data, integration, and fit-for-purpose tools. Score each area, expose constraints, and prioritize improvements that protect flow, quality, and safety before adding complexity. Readiness is a capability, not a purchase order. Gap 1. Process stability and standardization. Symptoms include high variability, long changeovers, and unclear SOPs. Actions: run value stream mapping, establish standard work, apply SMED to cut changeovers, deploy SPC to control variation, and mistake-proof steps. Measure OEE to expose performance and quality losses. Track first-pass yield and CPK to verify capability. Until processes are capable and repeatable, automation schedules chaos faster and produces defects at scale. Gap 2. Data quality and visibility. Paper logs, disconnected systems, and spreadsheets kill decisions. Define a data model, assign governance, digitize critical capture at source, and standardize metric definitions across sites. Build dashboards that drive action, not noise. Show the signal to the right role at the right cadence. Aim for clean time series data with traceability and context. Without trustworthy data, you can't baseline, can't learn, and you won't automate responsibly. Gap 3. KPI alignment and daily management. If departments optimize locally, plants suffer globally. Align KPIs to customer value, lead time, OEE, inventory turns, and schedule adherence. Stand up tiered huddles with visual management so issues surface within hours, not months. Use A3 to attack root causes and lock in countermeasures. Clarify ownership for metrics and dashboards. When goals, measurement, and cadence sync, flow improves and firefighting gives way to disciplined execution. Gap 4. Workforce skills and change readiness. Automation thrives when people are prepared and engaged. Build a skills matrix, target training to gaps, and develop change champions each shift. Reduce tribal knowledge by documenting key know-how and designing human-centered roles that prioritize safety and ergonomics. Involve operators early, co-design interfaces, and pilot procedures with users. Create growth pathways so automation upgrades people, not sidelines them. Culture isn't soft, it's your scalable capability. Gap 5. Asset reliability and maintenance. If you're firefighting breakdowns, automation will wait in line behind a downed machine. Implement TPM with autonomous maintenance, layer in RCM for critical assets, and right-size your spare parts strategy. Pilot condition monitoring to detect degradation. Reliable equipment stabilizes flow, reduces variance, and frees capacity, creating the foundation where robotics, scheduling tools, and AI can deliver ROI. Before selecting technology, establish a current state baseline, define your target condition, and stabilize critical to quality CTQ processes first. Then follow a phased roadmap. 1. Stabilize operations. 2. Digitize information flow. 3. Automate and enhance with artificial intelligence, AI, or robotics. Formalize readiness with documented standard operating procedures, SOPs, clean time series data, cybersecurity and safety plans, a structured change management plan, and clear integration standards such as Open Platform Communications Unified Architecture, OPC UA, or Message Queuing Telemetry Transport, MQTT. These guardrails prevent brittle point solutions, enable interoperability, and allow you to experiment without risking quality, safety, or customer commitments. Pick the right pilot, target a real operational bottleneck, define success metrics up front, run time-bound experiments, and capture learnings to scale safely. Govern wisely by evaluating total cost of ownership, TCO, interoperability, and scalability. Avoid vendor lock-in by designing systems with flexibility from the start. De-risk automation with focused 90-day wins. Apply single-minute exchange of dies, SME-D, on a constraint machine. Implement tier meetings for daily accountability. Instrument 1 critical asset. Introduce 5S, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain, and begin tracking overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. Case in point, we stabilized a packaging line through documented standard operating procedures, SOPs, SMED and total productive maintenance, TPM, then added a collaborative robot, cobot, resulting in measurable improvement in OEE. If you're considering automation, start with an operational readiness assessment. Connect with us at e3businessconsultants.com. That's our roadmap to de-risking automation. Stabilize processes, build trustworthy data, align KPIs and daily management, prepare the workforce, and secure asset reliability. Then digitize and automate with intention. Use the people-process technology lens to prioritize constraints, establish a baseline and target condition, and advance through a phase plan. Govern for interoperability and total cost of ownership. Prove value with tight pilots, and harvest 90-day wins to build momentum? When foundations are sound, automation multiplies excellence instead of chaos. Thanks for listening. I'm Brad, and I'll see you on the next episode.